Introduction to UI/UX design.
UI/UX design focuses on creating digital products that are both attractive and easy to use. UI stands for user interface, while UX means user experience. Designers in this field craft everything from app layouts to website navigation, blending creativity with problem-solving skills. If you aim to build products people love, a career as a UI/UX designer could be your perfect fit.
Step 1. Understand the fundamentals.
Start by learning the core principles of UI and UX design. Study topics like visual hierarchy, color theory, typography, and layout. Explore how users interact with digital products and what makes experiences intuitive. Resources such as online courses, design blogs, and beginner books can help you grasp these essential concepts and build a solid foundation.
Step 2. Master essential tools.
Get hands-on experience with popular design tools. Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch are widely used for designing wireframes and prototypes. Practice creating simple mock-ups and gradually tackle more complex projects. Learning shortcuts and workflows in these tools will speed up your process and make collaboration with teams easier.
Step 3. Build real projects and a portfolio.
Apply your skills by working on real or simulated projects. Redesign popular apps, join design challenges, or volunteer for nonprofits. Document your process from research to final prototype. This not only improves your skills, but also helps you create a compelling portfolio, a crucial asset for landing your first job or freelance clients.
Step 4. Learn user research and testing.
Effective UI/UX designers understand users' needs. Learn how to conduct user research, create personas, and test your designs through usability studies. Analyzing feedback helps you create better products and shows employers your dedication to user-centered design. Communication and empathy are key skills at this stage.
Step 5. Advance your skills and stay updated.
The design field evolves quickly. Keep learning by following design trends, networking with other designers, and seeking feedback. Pursue advanced topics like accessibility, design systems, and motion design. Continuing education ensures you stay competitive and grow from a beginner to a sought-after UI/UX professional.